I created an app called Clientia. Sorry, I actually typed that wrong. But essentially, Clientia allows me to track clients that I have for whatever business it may be. In this case, I'm tracking my clients for my trash can washing business. I go around pressure washing trash cans, and the way that I created the database was I went to the EER diagram page of my SQL, created a diagram that included different tables that allowed me to create this reverse engineer script. In this reverse engineer script, I have information pertaining to what I want my tables to be called, and then what columns I wanted to be included in my table. So for my services table, I have a service key that tells me, this is the name of the row, basically, this key that is given. And then I put a name for the service, and then a description of the service, and then whatever clients I want to connect to this table, I put under client key, and I'll connect them to their clients, their proper clients, which is also a foreign key. And so I did that for all three tables that I created here. So I have a services table filled with these. I have a clients table full of those, and a addresses table full of these. And then I filled those tables with all sorts of good information. So addresses, I made up a bunch of addresses and put them into the addresses table, as you can see here. Now in Python, I went ahead and I made this interactable for a user to pull information and then also to add information. And I'll give you an example of pulling information. So I allow the user to use this select query right here to pull the first and last name concatenated together, and then the address information of the client, and I pull that from two separate tables using a join method. And so if I do number 2 for list all clients, it'll run this query and then print it down here, saving it to fetch all, and then print each row that was returned in this fetch. And then, so you can see here, I have all this information, and I made sure to order it by last name and then first name. So you have Charles Brown, and then you see Brown, Curry, Xavier, Heck. These have the same last name, so it's going to order the first name first, so Alex will come first. So